Thermostat set to cool but the air conditioner does not start? Check control voltage and delay signals immediately to isolate wiring, thermostat logic, or outdoor unit safety interlocks. Begin by confirming the thermostat is actually calling for cooling. Set the system to cool and lower the set point several degrees below room temperature. Then observe the thermostat display for a steady cool on indicator. If the thermostat shows a flashing cool on, that typically indicates a built-in compressor time delay of about 5 minutes to protect the outdoor compressor from short cycling, so wait at least 5 minutes before further diagnostics. Next, measure control voltage between the common terminal and the cooling call terminal using a multimeter. With the thermostat calling for cooling, the voltage between the common terminal and the cooling call terminal should be approximately 24 volts alternating current. If no voltage is present, remove the thermostat faceplate and inspect wiring for loose, corroded, or reversed conductors, particularly the common conductor, which is often omitted on older thermostats. If voltage is present but the outdoor unit does not energize, the next step is to bypass the thermostat by briefly jumping the power terminal to the cooling call terminal at the air handler or the outdoor unit control board to simulate a cooling call. If the compressor and contactor engage when jumped, the thermostat or its configuration is the likely fault, and replacing the thermostat or reconfiguring the fan and system settings will resolve the issue. If jumping terminals does not start the outdoor unit, check the outdoor unit fuses, the contactor coil continuity, and the low-pressure safety switch or float switch that may disable cooling. Damaged capacitors, seized motors, or a tripped high-pressure switch also prevent compressor engagement and require a qualified service technician to test and replace failed components. Finally, be mindful of fan configuration. Set the fan to auto so the indoor blower only runs when cooling is active, and verify the outdoor unit has clear airflow and an unobstructed condenser, because restricted airflow or dirty coils can cause pressure trips and delayed or failed compressor starts. 3 common mistakes are misinterpreting the thermostat delay as a fault, ignoring the common wire requirement, and bypassing safety switches without proper diagnosis. Treat the flashing cool on as a normal protective delay and wait 5 minutes before proceeding with voltage checks. If a thermostat lacks a common wire, install a common or use a power extender kit rather than relying on batteries, which can produce intermittent control signals. Never permanently bypass float switches, low-pressure switches, or fuses to force operation. Instead, identify and rectify the underlying cause, such as condensate drainage issues, refrigerant leaks, or electrical faults. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners to local licensed and reviewed HVAC contractors, helping members find professionals who can diagnose control voltage issues and repair outdoor unit components. The site also offers contractors a platform to receive qualified leads, manage customer reviews, and grow service business with targeted local visibility.